Hello everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let us see how to make raisins or kishmish at home from fresh grapes. Raisins are easily available in the market, but we had extra grapes at home this time, so we just experimented making kishmish. And moreover, making it at home ensures that there are no chemicals and it is hygienic. So first, let us wash the grapes very well. Wash them in clean water 2 to 3. We have thoroughly washed all the grapes this way. I forgot to tell you these are about 250 grams grapes. We have heated 1.5 liter water in a pan and now we are adding the grapes to the hot water. So on a medium flame, let it boil. After 3 minutes now, the water is boiling and the grapes have risen up. At this stage, now we have switched off the flame and we have removed the grapes from the gas stove. We have taken a basket with heel. The basket should have heels, it should not be flat, and we have spread a clean white cloth on it. See, the basket should have some space beneath, it should not be touching the ground so that air passes through it from beneath also. It's very important. So now let us put the grapes. We have to put the grapes in such a way that they don't touch each other. There should be enough space. So now we have put all the grapes on this white cloth and now let us cover it with another clean white cloth. This is cotton cloth. Now we are going to keep it under direct sunlight for 2 days in the terrace. It is summer now and very hot. So now after 2 days, let us check on the raisin. See, they are so perfect. The shape of the raisin depends upon the shape of the grapes. We got grapes which are thin and long. So we have got raisins also which are thin and long. So if you have rounded grapes, then your raisins also will be round. Our raisins are very nice and they are very tasty. But remember one thing, these raisins will taste better after a few days. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you soon with another recipe. Thank you.